Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Nulaxy Bluetooth keyboard. They sent me this out for review about the time I got my Surface Go, so I've been using it with that because I didn't want to pay $99 for the Surface Go keyboard. So you can see here, it is a backlit keyboard. We have the red backlight on right now. If I hit the light button and I hit the up arrow, we can go between colors, up and down, change the colors back and forth. So we have blue, we have teal, purple, green, and red. So you can customize the color to whatever color you would like. I have my Surface Go right here. I left it unplugged, so it is almost dead, but it paired up to the Bluetooth just fine. It actually fits just right with the Surface Go on the keyboard, which is pretty nice. You can also prop the keyboard up if you have something that doesn't have a stand on it like the Surface Go. So if I fold the stand away, you can see that we can prop it up on the keyboard itself. A little bit higher up than what you can do with the Surface Go stand, but nonetheless it is there if you have something like an iPad that's not in a case or something like that that you wish to prop up. Pretty nice. Battery life on the keyboard is pretty good. I've only charged it once, so you do get, I want to say it was about 40 hours of usage between charges, so if you're using it for an hour a day, you get about a month and a half. That's all going to depend on your usage, exactly how long it lasts, how much typing you're doing, whether you have the backlight on or off, what brightness you have it on, that kind of stuff. You do have an on and off switch up on the top here. The keyboard will also go into power saving mode if you're not using it. You have lights up here for caps lock, Bluetooth, charge, and power. You can switch it between configurations for iOS, Android, and Windows devices. So the function keys will do different things based on what mode you have it on for what device you're using it with. You have your home button up here on escape if you're using it with like an iOS device. It also folds up quite nicely and tucks in so it stays closed. Looks pretty good. You can slip it in a bag or carry it with your tablet pretty easily, and it's not too bulky and doesn't take up too much space. You also have a pencil holder here. If you have an Apple Pencil, you can put your Apple Pencil in there. If you have the pin for your Surface, you can put it in there, stuff like that. Different types of styluses will also fit in there. So very useful, very lightweight, and easy to carry. The keyboard, just your standard, Bluetooth keyboard, nothing fancy. It works fine. The keys are pretty mushy, but they don't feel bad. For something that's like, what you're going to be using with a tablet, it feels pretty good. Your charge port is right here. They do include a micro USB cable to charge it, and you can just plug it into your computer or your tablet's charger if you need to charge the keyboard as well. So pretty easy, works great. I will leave a link down in the description to Amazon for this. You can pick one up for yourself or check them out and read some more information about them on Amazon. This has been Colin with Techout. This is the Nulaxy Bluetooth keyboard. And as always, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.